I only have one, so.
So, and now, make this like seem like a maze. You understand? And
No.
we all spin around in circles and stuff to forget whoever put where mines. And then I say I move to this mine, and I go to it. And every mine I move to, I need to shoot. If it's friendly, it will not explode. If it's my own, it will explode.
I think this is the we talking.
Alright. Oh!
Well,
one of each!
solve that problem. They just explode anyway. Nugget, you're not last one. They just watch us all blow themselves up.
I don't know, should I blow myself up?
No.
You got it.
What the fuck?
Brutal.
Okay, come here.
Yes. Surely we have time.
New Year.
I think we can do more spacing. We can test it.
Wait. No, not yet. Okay, place it maybe over here. Stand back.
Hello?
Oh, it did not proc well.
Oh wow. It didn't go that far. Oh shit! I live!
Okay, I can activate mines with anti-material.
I feel bad for our team, they're literally...
Forbidden Legos.
Pudding, you can make private server, right?
Yes.
Let's fill the whole map with mines.
Yeah, okay, let's go. I'll turn it up.
Okay, rock and roll.
Yes.
Let's see how far we can go. Oh, Nuggets is spectating.
Skillish.
I joined in and I just heard a loud fucking explosion.
Over here, around this crate, and to the back.
I hope they don't throw a fucking nade.
Oh my god, that was so loud. That was so fucking loud.
Aren't you the one frag? There it is.
This feels like some Looney Tunes bullshit.
And they say art is dead. How this works?
This will be my New Year special video.
Excellent use of free will.
And they say the internet is dead.
I'm ready, 10 seconds, stand back.
Get it!
Fire.
Yeah.
There was a delay.
Oh, okay. So, dude, what the fuck, bro? Whack him in the face.
I couldn't blow myself.
We got XP, by the way.
You can actually gain XP from this, holy fuck.
These poor people. These poor people. They don't know what it is.
Where is the box?
If you think about it, mines are pretty eco-friendly, no?
In which way?
I have no idea where he's going with this bit.
I mean, mines are eco-friendly, no? We're going with ground.
They're like a tree of 5.
Yes.
We got target.
Tango spotted.
Mine 'em.
No.
No, not there. Come this way. Come
Tango
this way.
spotted.
Come back, buddy.
Oh, it's outside.
What are you doing, buddy?
I have a mine. I have a plan.
Got target on point. Come here. Allahu Akbar. Fuck.
Behind.
Oh, fuck.
These poor people. Stand back. This should cause a chain reaction, I believe.
What are you doing?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I didn't get one.
Why didn't it work? Like, it's over there.
Should load the cache with 4 mines.
Planting mine.
Buggy as shit.
Niggas, go ahead.
I have a C4, we can just...
Plant everything.
Almost, guys, hold up.
Okay.
Allahu Akbar!
Happy New Year.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Bamba. My hands are gone.
Yeah, mines tend to do that. Hold on. It's just like that.
What is he holding?
I have no.
He's holding something.
I'm clicking 1, 2, 3, 4. I got no.
He's holding a flashlight. You are holding only a flashlight.
I sent you a picture on Steam on how you look.
It's a flashlight, right? What the hell?
The explosion took my hands.
You look like you're praying or something.
Sorry.
Inshallah.
I think he's praying with a something.
Wait. Okay. Can you move up, like your mouse up and down?
Oh! This looks very wrong. He's truly committed to Allah. The rest of the team fucking quit. There's only 2.
We made them rage quit.
Okay, let's
Planting mine.
plant mines everywhere and go second floor. One grenade and it's all over. The amount of power I have in my hands.
Alright guys, you know what time it is. It's about to end! It's about to end!
Be careful not to kill us all.
The rat mist everywhere.
Happy New Year.
Inshallah malhakum habibi.
Ya Allah!
Should we make a surprise for Nuggies when he comes back? Nuggies? Are you here? Happy New Year!
Yes. I was about to say the first one didn't kill me.
Oh. Damn it.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Shut your fucking.
So where did the mine idea come from? I'm actually kinda curious.
There was this guy, Tanoro.
Surely we can do more space. There's a gunship coming my way.
He was just standing near the box on the last point, putting bombs on the ground and making loud explosions at the end, and me and Pudding had an idea. Shut up, I'm telling a story. Me and Pudding, we had an idea to also take mines and make it even louder. Oh, we need to defend, okay? Let's play some mines.
Some defensive mines.
I'm setting trap.
Oh no.
Oh, that's straight white focus. I gave him a warning. Oh, he ordered it on the point. He might not hit, but
Shit.
it will not.
Two in the mine out. Ah! Fuck! Yeah, kill confirmed on me. Also, one of the bots took your C4 and yeeted it somewhere else.
Worth it. No regrets. I found my C4.
Bot just entered the room, saw the C4, was like, what's this? And I whacked him in the face with a mine.
Keep inventing new ways to play this
We,
game.
we can do something horrible. We can stone people to death with C4.
Smack. He smacked him with a bomb. Smack.
It's going to blow!
Schmeck. Schmeck. You killed him with it! Oh my god! Oh my god! The man with the ID, but like physically, he like, oh my god, run away! No, VV!
The headshot a bot with a C4 look that kills him.
I'm feeling like Oppenheimer here.
I have become dead.
The destroyer of worlds.
Crasher of PCs.
The sound.
We're taking Charlie!
We're taking Charlie. We're taking Charlie.
Wait.
Off. I have an idea. I don't know
Wait.
if it's
Yes,
possible.
let's strap mines to the fucking car.
Yeah, I was about to say that as well.
Okay,
Where's the car? Oh shit. It's all fine. I'm lost.
No.
It's all fun and games until a fucking grenade hits one of the mines.
These people don't know what's happening.
Bot can do some smoke, but not at all.
What he said.
I don't know. Bot?
I think he means they can't see you through the smoke.
Well, that's a shit way to say it.
Oh, he is Chinese, I guess.
Chinese.
And he left again.
It's our bullshit. Only the Chinese dudes left.
Who are the Chinese dude? Let's go.
People leave. They cannot handle the loudness.
Every single game stands up empty. Breaching, breaching.
Oh no!
Shit.
Go, Chinese dude, go! For the glory of the CCCP.
Ironically, he's running a German setup.
Weapon of choice, mine.
Mine again, yeah.
What the fuck?
He's so mad. Have faith.
Have faith. You need to have some faith, Arthur. Have some damn faith.
Shut your mouth.